Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to enable account numbers in QuickBooks Online. This feature helps you organize your chart of accounts more efficiently. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and open your company. Click the gear icon in the top right corner. This will open the Settings menu. Under Your Company, click on Account and Settings. From the left menu, click on the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Chart of Accounts section. Click Edit, then turn on Enable Account Numbers. Click Save, then click Done to apply the changes. Now go back to the gear icon, select Chart of Accounts, and you'll see a new column for account numbers. And that's it! You've successfully enabled account numbers in QuickBooks Online. This will make managing your accounts much easier. Thanks for watching.